If you are in search of the ideal Netflix-approved camera, look no further. We got you covered. We have curated the best Netflix-approved cameras on the market that adheres to Netflix's stringent standard, as outlined in their extensive list of Netflix-approved camera, available for detailed reference at the Netflix Partner Help Center. The decisions Netflix makes regarding camera technology play a pivotal role, especially for creators aspiring to showcase their films, television series, or documentaries on this pay-to-view platform. This guide will help you select the best cameras that not only meet Netflix's set standards, but elevate your video productions to the next level. While some models on this list may be high-end and traditionally reserved for filmmakers, surprisingly, there are also several relatively affordable options to explore. Here goes our top Netflix-approved cameras currently available on the market. All product links are provided in the description. 5. Panasonic Lumix S1H. The Panasonic Lumix S1H, distinguished as the best box-style camera, offers intriguing specifications for serious video shooters. The camera features a 35mm full-frame sensor with a resolution of 24.2 megapixels, equipped with 2x two SD card slots, and a Leica L lens mount. Notably, it achieves a maximum shooting resolution of 6K, devoid of a built-in display or electronic viewfinder. Compelling reasons to consider the Lumix S1H include its capability to deliver 12-bit RAW video, when paired with an external recorder, excellent low-light performance, and live streaming capabilities. However, potential drawbacks include the absence of a built-in screen and the camera not being bundled with a battery. For video enthusiasts seeking versatile applications, the Panasonic Lumix S1H proves advantageous. Its 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor incorporates dual native ISO technology, providing an impressive dynamic range of 14+ stops. Additionally, the optical low-pass filter effectively suppresses moire and false colors, contributing to exceptional performance in low-light conditions. The camera supports recording in 6K at 24p or 4K at 60p with 10-bit depth when utilizing an image area equivalent to Super 35mm. Opting for the entire 35mm sensor area enables shooting in 4K at 30p with 10-bit 4:2:2 compression in H.264. Addressing the rise in popularity of live streaming, the S1H facilitates the transmission of high-quality footage to social streaming platforms via a wired LAN connection. The camera achieves 4K 60p video streaming in H.265, effectively halving the bitrate while maintaining image quality. Despite the absence of an integrated screen, the Lumix S1H's modular design allows for easy attachment of external recorders like the Atmos Ninja V. This not only compensates for the lack of a screen, but also unlocks the camera's capability to output 12-bit RAW video, further enhancing its versatility. In conclusion, the Panasonic Lumix S1H emerges as a compelling choice for serious video shooters, offering a unique box-style design with noteworthy features. Its modular nature and compatibility with external recorders make it a versatile tool for various video applications, compensating for the absence of certain built-in features. 4. Sony FX9. The Sony FX9 is the most affordable full-frame camera, presents compelling specifications for serious videographers. With a resolution of 4K 4096 by 2160 in various formats, including Cine 4K up to 59.94p, this camera boasts a full-frame 6K sensor, Sony E-mount, and dimensions of 146 by 142.5 by 29mm, weighing 4.4 pounds. Its affordability as a full-frame cinema camera, supporting fast 180 FPS for slow motion and HD, and advanced features like hybrid autofocus and digital audio capabilities make it an ideal option. However, potential drawbacks involve the absence of internal RAW recording and a touch-to-focus screen. The Sony FX9 stands out as a serious full-frame video camera, providing excellent value despite its price. Sony's expertise in catering to the needs of serious filmmakers is evident in its popular FS7 camera. The FS7 has been widely embraced by independent production companies globally, offering a Super 35mm sensor, high frame rates, and impressive image quality. Advancements in time and technology have led cinematographers to seek a full-frame sensor for optimal high ISO performance and shallow depth of field. The FX9 addresses these needs with a usable AF system utilizing phase detection, extensive customization options, and an emphasis on live streaming importance. For those inclined towards meticulous footage grading, internal RAW recording becomes crucial. Sony elevates the FX9 by incorporating stepless built-in ND filters, extended battery life, professional connections like SDI and XLR audio inputs, and ergonomic design. The camera utilizes a backside illuminated, full-frame sensor and a super advanced hybrid autofocus system borrowed from the alpha mirrorless cameras. Noteworthy enhancements include dual-base ISO 800-4000 and S-Cinetone color science, borrowed from the high-end Venice Cinema camera, providing excellent noise control. In summary, the Sony FX9 is an exceptional choice, offering professional features. While it utilizes a 6K sensor, oversampling to produce a final 4K image, it remains an excellent option for those who prioritize quality and functionality, especially if a full-frame sensor is not a critical requirement. 3. Panasonic S1H. The Panasonic S1H, celebrated as the best hybrid package, boasts specifications that cater to both video and still photography enthusiasts. With a remarkable resolution of 6K 6000 by 4000, it supports various formats from 6K 3:2 at 24p to 4K anamorphic at 47.95. The full-frame CMOS sensor, Leica L mount, and dimensions of 151 by 114.2 by 110.4 mm contribute to its versatile design, weighing 6.6 pounds. Reasons to consider the Panasonic S1H include its ability to capture 6K video, making it effective for both video and stills photography. Additionally, features like Vlog, LUTs, and cinema capabilities enhance its appeal. However, potential drawbacks involve the absence of raw video capture. Panasonic leverages its extensive video experience to integrate high-end VariCam features into the Lumix S1H, tailored for video and cinematography. It doubles as a serviceable 24MP stills camera, creating a bridge between conventional system cameras and higher-end cine gear, particularly for Panasonic videographers. However, the processing power limits the capture to a cropped Super 35mm format at these high resolution. Considering bit depth, the S1H ensures 8-bit capture, suitable for less extensively edited or graded video footage. However, for more intricate adjustments and utilization of Vlog modes, the camera offers essential 10-bit capture, preventing issues like banding and clipping. The S1H also provides full-frame capture for 4K, featuring 4:2. 210-bit internal recording with speeds up to 60p. Users can leverage 60 FPS capture and playback for fast action scenes or opt for 30 FPS playback for a 2x slow motion effect, adding versatility to its capabilities. 2. Sony FX6. The Sony FX6 is recognized by most creatives as the best all-rounder, presents impressive specifications for versatile filmmaking applications. With a resolution of 4K, it supports formats such as 4K DCI at 23.98p and 4K UHD at 23.98, and more. The Super 35 CMOS sensor, Sony E mount, and compact dimensions of 114 by 116 by 153 mm contribute to its well-rounded capability, all while weighing only 2 pounds. Reasons to consider the Sony FX6 include its affordability. As a full-frame cinema camera, the inclusion of advanced alpha hybrid AF, and its ability to capture 10-bit 4:2, 4K 120p and 240 FPS in HD. However, potential drawbacks involve the absence of internal RAW recording or an EVF, and the requirement for Sift Express type of cards, which can be expensive and less common. The Sony FX6 addresses the specific needs of filmmakers that Sony's mirrorless alpha cameras may not fulfill. It distinguishes itself by offering the advantages of a genuine cinema camera, featuring professional controls, ergonomic design, multi-channel XLR audio, built-in ND filters, and extended battery life. While mirrorless cameras are designed for various purposes, they often lack the full-frame sensor and advanced autofocus features found in dedicated cinema cameras until the introduction of the FX6. Unlike the FX9, the FX6 utilizes a BSI CMOS sensor inherited from the Sony A7S III mirrorless camera. This sensor, coupled with on-sensor phase detection autofocus, allows the FX6 to record in 4K at 60 FPS full-frame without cropping. The recorded footage is stored internally to SD cards or the same Sift Express type of cards introduced in the A7S III. 1. Canon EOS C70. The Canon EOS C70 is the best handheld rig, boasts impressive specifications, and a weight of 2.58 pounds and 2.95 pounds, with the battery making it a compact yet powerful choice. Reasons to consider this camera include its ability to capture 120 FPS in UHD 4K, 180 FPS in 2K, and its DCI 4K 60p video resolution. However, potential drawbacks include the absence of 8K recording and a built-in viewfinder. This digital SIN camera excels in recording DCI 4K 60p resolution video to dual slots, utilizing widely available and affordable SD cards. It supports high frame rates, reaching up to 120 FPS in 4K and 180 FPS in a 2K cropped Super 16 mode. Various codec options, including Canon's XFAVC, XFAVC Intra, and XFAVC Long GOP, provide flexibility with up to 10-bit 4:2 DCI 4K images while minimizing storage requirements. The EOS C70 enhances post-production workflows by supporting proxy recording rates and simultaneous recording in different formats like 4K HD and XFAVC MP4 options. Additionally, it can capture still images to SD card slot B when in standby mode during select video modes. With its comprehensive features, the Canon EOS C70 proves to be a versatile cinema camera suitable as a camera for any shoot. Furthermore, it seamlessly integrates into a C300 and K3 workflow as a B camera, contributing to smoother workflows during the editing or color grading phase of a project. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.